drove my tractor through that haystack last night. I threw my big box out there, constantly quiet. There's no big telling me that you're going to me. Come on now, darling, you just don't be like me. Cause I got a brand new car, my answer, I'll hear the tape. Come on now, let's get together, it's perfect combination. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Oh, I got a brand new car, my answer, I'll hear the tape. Take it off, I think by you, if you're all up here. We have to win the triplet, I got my blood first beat. You know I look it up, so give me a hand. Because I want those 50 acres of land. Cause I got a brand new job, my answer, I'll hear the day. Come on now, let's get together and perfect combination. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Oh, I got a brand new car, my answer, I'll hear the day. Come over and look, come on. What's never to get a lot of this car in the low. I see the kitchen, it's a brother to great. I see the hip, which is your mind. I'm gonna take you stroking and that other is mine. I got a brand new car, my answer, I'll feel good. Come on now, let's get together, it's worth the combination. I got 20 acres, and you got 43. Oh, I got a brand new car, my answer, I'll feel good. We love you, man. I want my grandkids to go to the right hand. We had a whole took so far in hand. Oh, I got a brand new car, my answer, I'll give you a key. Now we're going to find a brand new
It is. It's Sadie's best one. I can say this best one. You will.
I will.